In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the PS4 error. The following application will be suspended in 15 minutes because the license cannot be verified. So what you want to do is sign into the account that purchased the game where you're getting this error. Then you want to go to settings in the top right. And from here, you want to ensure that you're connected to the internet. Now we're going to go back and go to account management. And the first thing I recommend you do is go down and go to restore licenses. So if you become unable to use content you've downloaded from the PlayStation Store, restoring the licenses can potentially fix the issue. So this should only take a couple seconds, and once you've done that, you can boot up the game again and see if you get the error while playing it. Now, if you're still getting the error, what I recommend you do is go to activate as your primary PS4 on the account you bought the game on, and I recommend you activate it so it'll now be your primary account on your PS4. Do bear in mind this is going to remove another account that's the primary if that's the case, but this should fix your issue. So if this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.